Arena Breakout Infinite, Northridge, D202, where is it, what's behind it, and is it worth it? Let's get into it. The easiest way to find your way around Northridge or any ABI map is to check the map in the description down below. This map I created painstakingly by hand. All you need to do is type in what you're looking for. In my case, 202. Bam, D202 is what we're looking for, and as you can see on the first floor of the Northridge Hotel, Building D, is where it's taken us. This room right over here. We'll find our way across here, upstairs, and into this room here. Of course, in the future, you'll find loot marked on the map here as well. I'll head to the in-game map and, scrolling in here, Building D, I'll head across to Northridge Hotel 2F in the bottom left and mark this room here. Let's get there. As you can see, we're coming up on the hotel. We want to head across to the southeast side into Building D, and we'll be heading upstairs there, also known as the cinema. You'll see a huge sign right above it. There are many different ways into this building, and of course the other buildings here, all of which are super dangerous, super populated by both AI and people. Finding our way across, I'll make my way into here. Not that the entrance matters too much. We'll clear our way. I'll need to head through this little cafeteria, through the kitchen. So maybe a different entrance would have been better. But anyways, finding a staircase, which there's one over here. We'll make our way upstairs, and over here's where we'll find our rooms. So I'll need to make my way across here as it's blocked. Should be fine. And on this far side, we've got 204 and 202 here. Great. So heading into this room here, unlocking. Perfect. Hasn't been touched. Let's find out what's inside. So immediately next to us is the bathroom, which inside of here seems to have maybe some loose loot spawning on the toilet. In my case, just a weapon attachment, nothing too crazy. And in the main room here, unfortunately, no safe or anything, but we have got this over here, a large weapon case. Seems to be just a bit of weapon stuff in this room, nothing too crazy. This is probably worth a handful, but again, does it justify the key? Maybe not. There are, of course, many rooms in this building, so you'll make your profit pretty much no matter what, not to mention players if you're more of a PvPer. But anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Let me know what you got down below. Also, while you're down there in the description, you'll find many more helpful videos, links, and things like that. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.